Hi, I'm Fiona.
And I'm Liz. We're here to tell you about the hub.
There are two hubs on the field, one for the Red Alliance and one for the Blue Alliance.
Teams can launch fuel into their Alliance hub from their Alliance zone, the zone closest to their Alliance station. Be sure to check out the manual for full details about where teams can launch from.
The hub has a flat face that teams can use to line up if desired.
In Rebuild, Teleop is split into segments: the transition shift, 4 Alliance shifts, and the endgame. During the match, the status of a hub is either active or inactive. Both Alliance hubs are active during auto, the transition shift, and endgame. During the Alliance shifts, only one red or blue Alliance hub will be active. When a hub is active, it lights up. It will also pulse the last 3 seconds to indicate that the hub is going to become inactive. Check out the Alliance Station video for more details about how timing of the shifts are communicated to drivers, and be sure to read the game manual to understand all the details.
The Alliance hub has a hexagonal funnel at the top made out of polycarbonate panels. The top lip of the funnel is about 72 inches off the floor, and the opening at the top is approximately 41 inches wide.
Robots that launch into the hub will have to be precise to hit their target.
Any fuel that gets thrown a little too far will hit the net, and most of the time will fall back to the neutral zone.
The net is held up by an aluminum frame and will move slightly as it gets hit. There is a gap at the base between the bottom of the net and the hub structure.
The net also prevents teams from launching from the neutral zone into the hub.
As fuel goes through the hub, it moves through one of the 4 exits, where it gets counted and randomly dispersed back into the neutral zone.
As a reminder, fuel is only counted when the hub is active, so be sure to time your scoring correctly.
In reality, fuel will take a few seconds to process from the top of the goal to the exit. The field will continue to count a tiny bit longer to compensate for the processing time. Check out the manual for full details.
April tags are located on the 4 faces of the hub for teams to locate themselves around the field. There are 2 on each side. One is centered and one is offset. See the field dimension drawings for exact dimensions and details.
Good luck, and we'll see you at the competition.